Here we are back here with our clip. It's a project which we have started this morning, and that's my co-worker down there. You see me working on the line there. Is Jason, um, Pascal, Jason Pascal, and I am Gimme Chell, Goshen Israel, 4194394. That's the number. That's the way to go. Spice Health Farmers, Goshen Israel. Now, um, that's all we have done so far. Within 10:30 to now is actually 10 minutes, 8 minutes to 3 o'clock. And due to the exhaustion of this heavy load, heavy work, which you can see from the first video, is that we could have only managed to do so much heavy duty work, is hectic work we have done there. And we think that the best way to attack it is to come back one more day. If we did one more day now, we could be able to clean out all these areas behind me here. Understand? All these areas going on the line, all these areas going on the line, straight on the boundary line, all but in the bottom long there, even in front, between that between that wood here and the piece we clean, there are some trees, some big trees to cut down here, and there are some grass to cut the with cutlass, some of them with cutlass and some with weed eater. So we still have to come back with the weed eater another day, and we still have to come back with the cutlass again, because that is a all-inclusive kind of work. Weed eater, cutlass, chainsaw, everything, to get this thing done effectively. Alright, so as you can see, all these areas, you need to cutlass. All the area you need to cutlass. All this you need to cutlass. That's a big load of work again. We can cut that gas and same and then a hardwood with trees. It's kind of hardwood here, so it's kind of broom it. Obviously, the car can break down that. Cutlass are to cut down those things. Alright. In the bottom there, we do a piece of cutlass. Indeed, that piece of grass there was too thick for the weed eater as well. Here, right around here, we use weed eater because here was cane grass. And them tall cane grass, and then easier to cut with weed eater. You break the head and you break the roots. And that's it. It's just heavy. Here we have a closer view as to how far we reach up inside here. Alright, so there's a little more to the road up to the pole. As you can see, there's some trees between it to cut. Understand? All them trees and them on the side here. The shape of the borderline, shape of the borderline, shape of the borderline. And shape of the boundary line down here. And that's about it. So, Goshen Israel, or Gimme Chell, 4194394, Spice Health Farmers on the scene. Remember, I am a host, and anytime you want a work to be done effectively, and you know that definitely you want to get it in done in a period of time, because you know definitely you want to do things big money. You don't just spending money to waste money, you use money to make money. There's money that spin the world wrong. Understand? Although we don't love money, but we need money. So these are the kind of outcomes you get from Goshen Israel Spice Life Farmers. Understand? Also known as Gimme Chow. So 4194394. Give me a shout.